I had a watch that I needed fixed today, very important watch to me, and so I went to the clock shop, which seems now like a mistake. When I walked in, I sat down and there was clocks ticking everywhere. I mean, one clock ticking is horrible. 50 was really hard to take. I mean, they're all going at different speeds, and it was definitely making me anxious. Did get to a point where it was like, okay, I've kind of had enough, I gotta leave. If this phobia keeps increasing at the rate it is, it could get to a point where I can't function in anything.